For more than 60 years, Ford has been listening carefully to its commercial customers and developing transit vehicles with one purpose in mind: to get the job done. So it gives me great pleasure to introduce the latest Transit from Ford, the all-new Ford Transit City. With its single-minded focus, the Transit City provides the perfect partner to Transit Custom in our lineup. A targeted business tool delivering electric vehicle efficiency to urban fleets at the right price. 3 high-productivity body styles, including a chassis cab. Optimized cost of ownership, comprehensive standard fit specification, plus full transit capability and support. It's based on a dedicated electric vehicle platform and comes in 3 versatile body styles: a compact L1 H1 van, a more spacious L2 H2 van, and even a chassis cab. Available across all European markets, it's strategically priced between the electric e-Transit Courier and the e-Transit Custom. With a laser focus on simplicity and value, Transit City has a single standard specification. Let's look at the details. Transit City is powered by a 56 kilowatt-hour LFP battery, offering a targeted WLTP range of up to 254 kilometers on the L1 H1 model. Based on data from thousands of Ford connected vehicles, we can see that 90% of electric vehicle customers in this segment drive less than 110 kilometers each day. So we believe the battery size is well suited to the needs of urban operators. City delivery drivers can make in excess of 200 parcel drops each day. With a responsive 110 kilowatt e-motor and nimble front-wheel drive chassis, Transit City is ideally suited to intensive multi-stop operations. And of course, charging is all important. For quick top-ups, 67 kilowatt DC charging will take you from 10 to 80% in approximately 30 minutes, with a 10-minute charge adding roughly 50 kilometers of range. And for overnight on-site charging, an 11 kilowatt AC charge can deliver 10 to 100% in just over 5 hours. So, with off-peak electricity tariffs, businesses can achieve significant energy cost savings compared to diesel. Cost of ownership for customers is also reduced by significant savings in servicing costs, which are estimated to be around 40% lower than comparable diesel vehicles, helped by lengthy 2-year or 40,000 kilometre or 25,000 mile service intervals. To keep costs and complexity to a minimum, Transit City comes complete with a generous standard specification. The cabin is comfortable and fully equipped, featuring keyless start, air conditioning, and a heated driver's seat. There's a 12-inch touchscreen with seamless smartphone integration for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so that customers can utilize their favorite apps, such as navigation and AI assistance. The interior features plenty of practical storage and attractive, hard-wearing materials throughout. To help minimize stress behind the wheel in busy city streets, Transit City includes a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, such as adaptive cruise control, front and rear parking sensors, a rear-view camera, and automatic emergency braking. For fleet customers who need to connect Transit City to their vehicle management or telematics systems, we offer a plug-in device. Transit City offers high productivity body styles. The larger L2 H2 van offers over 8 cubic meters of load space, a competitive 1,275 kilos of payload, and a maximum load length of over 3 meters. The load space on both van models features a standard load liner, half-height trim, and 8 tie-down points for securing cargo. But perhaps the most interesting Transit City variant is the chassis cab, which gives Ford its first entry in the 1-ton chassis cab segment. The chassis rail design has been carefully optimized, designed to provide converters with easier access and simplified assembly. The result positions Transit City to be a donor vehicle of choice for a wide range of conversions. Transit City has been engineered and tested to the same rigorous global durability standards as all Transit commercial vehicles, with punishing test cycles replicating 10 years or over 240,000 kilometres of usage in the hands of the most extreme customers. So it's tough, it's capable, and of course, it's backed by a comprehensive Ford warranty for the base vehicle, and 8 years or 160,000 kilometres for the high-voltage components. And like all Ford commercial vehicles, Transit City is fully supported by our 800-strong European network of transit centre dealers. So, there it is, the all-new Ford Transit City, arriving in European dealerships at the end of this year.